Hello guys, this is Akshay Guru Bhaiya, Faculty Geography Optional. So today again in the series of continuation, now I basically have this topic for today, that is satellite towns. Again this topic is basically what urban settlement wala point hai, okay, and this is one of the important topic because number of times you'll find questions were asked on this particular topic. Okay, so see now, अब देखो सैटेलाइट टाउन्स अगर समझना है तो उसके लिए उससे पहले आपको सैटेलाइट्स क्या होते हैं ये समझना है, राइट? सी देखो, जस्ट लाइक वी कंसीडर मून एज ए सैटेलाइट ऑफ अर्थ, right? The moon is what? Satellite of the earth. So you have to understand this one fact, that the moon is a separate body. Yes, moon is what? A separate body. It has its own existence. Earth is a separate body. Yes, it has its own existence. Though this moon, right, it is interconnected with the earth, right, due to its gravity. That is why it is revolving around the earth, right? And that is what the characteristics of satellite. So satellite का characteristics पहले ये होता है, no doubt it is well connected with the main body, but it still has its own existence as well, ठीक है? And separated by some distance, right? जैसे कि moon और earth के बीच में distance है, okay? तो कितना है? Please let me know in the comment box. Now अब अगर satellite towns वाली concept या satellite city भी, right? It is alternatively known as, अगर ये concept if you want to understand, you have to understand this fact that the process of urbanization is what it demands expansion, right? The process of urbanization, that is what to be more appropriate, like इसका एक phenomenon है urban sprawling. So the process of urbanization, it demands expansion. अभी expansion कैसे होगा? So this expansion you will find, say this expansion is mainly around some transportation line, और ये expansion कहाँ तक होगा? Up to, right, you will find the existence of physical barrier. That is what supposed case, कि जब भी city का basically expansion होगा, for example if you find Mumbai, yeah, so Mumbai basically the expansion of the Mumbai city has become pretty much difficult after, okay, or when it marks the or when it touch the Western Ghats. या फिजिकल बैरियर्स आ जाए, या दिल्ली भी देखो यमुना बैंक्स पे है, राइट? तो यमुना रिवर इट एक्ट एज ए काइंड ऑफ अ फिजिकल बैरियर फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ सिटी, राइट? तो सिटी की डेवलपमेंट या एक्सपेंशन तो होगा यूजुअली रेस्ट्रिक्टेड बाय फिजिकल बैरियर, दो अब तो टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ तो अब ये भी लिमिटेशंस उतने स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं बैरियर रहे जितने पहले हुआ करते थे, ठीक है? सो व्हाट this city is what ever expanding, and if that expansion is what allowed to in very its natural form, you will find the city would rather grow in mammoth space, yeah? क्योंकि the thing is कि Delhi, जैसे for example अगर if you follow the data that is what released as such as of now, say whatever migration that happens in India, 50% of this migration actually say their destination is Delhi. तो जस्ट इमेजिन कि दिल्ली में अगर इतना पॉपुलेशन इन्फ्लक्स्ड होगा तो ये पॉपुलेशन रिसाइड कहाँ करेगा? ऑब्वियसली यू विल फाइंड द हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सपेंशन ऑफ सिटी, वर्टिकल इधर और हॉरिजॉन्टल. नाउ द केस इज जितना सिटी का हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सपेंशन होगा अल्टीमेटली इट हैज अ टेंडेंसी टू रीच द बैरियर एज वेल, राइट? सो इट इज विद दिस intention in after, right, or between the World War as well, World War First more precisely, you will find one concept of garden city as such was introduced in European cities. अभी garden cities क्या रहेंगे? Garden cities basically simple कि जो main cities है ना, उन cities के ये periphery में या garden cities रहेंगे, and just to somehow relieve this main city from excessive population burden, right? फिर with the passage of time, with the more research and development and the proper planning and say the gained experiences, फिर this concept was ultimately modified as a satellite town. Now first try to understand what the satellite towns are. देखो satellite towns are what, no doubt, that these towns are pretty much connected with, okay, the core city. No doubt, the city of Pune is again connected with the Mumbai. Noida is equally integrated with or connected with the city of Delhi. But these cities, right, these two cities, they are what? Separated by some physical barrier. They are having some distance to spare, right? They are what? Having some distance to cover as well. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि this city is rather the part of the main city itself. It is developed with the intention that this newly developed towns, which are like a satellite towns depending on the core city, would rather attract this confused migrants whether to prefer main city or whether to prefer the other city. क्यों? क्योंकि main city is not having many problems of its own. High population density, high cost of living, say then crime and criminal activities and other issues, right? So it's then to give him an option that, look man, instead of preferring this particular main city which is already overcrowded, look for this alternative option, right? Or if it suits like, so he would rather migrate to this satellite towns. और इसी इंटेंशन के साथ सैटेलाइट टाउन की प्लानिंग हुई, दैट कि मेन सिटी की हमको डेवलपमेंट या एक्सपेंशन मोर अप्रोप्रिएटली रोकना है. एंड हाउ टू एंश्योर इट, कीप एंश्योर to develop a satellite town, though no doubt they are dependent on main city, but they are physically separated from main city. It feels like this satellite towns people, okay, or this citizen, they feel themselves like the part of, okay, main city itself. Okay, नोएडा में अगर कोई इंडिविजुअल रह रहा है तो he feels like basically he is a citizen of Delhi, right? या कल्याण थाने इस वाले पेरिफेरल सबब रीजन में, but they don't pay any tax to the city administration. Right, they are not having any direct legal document as such to own for, right, to show the citizenship with the city, right? But still they are getting benefited by the services provided by this main city. Okay, so satellite towns, as I already explained you, it is this concept that garden city that it leads to, that later with the evolution, like say they are also known as dormitory towns, say for that purpose. And they are defined as the urban center which is functionally integrated with mega city and is located on major transportation line connecting the city, and it serves as the secondary settlement to the city. Eventually satellite towns became a part of urban agglomeration and later into the town cities. अब यही होगा, देखो पहले तो पर्पस क्लियर हो चुका है. आई बिलीव कि आप कंसेप्ट सैटेलाइट टाउन वाली समझ आ गई है आपको, पर्पस भी क्लियर हो चुका है, ठीक है, दैट विथ व्हाट इंटेंशन एक्चुअली दिस वाज कंसेप्चुअलाइज्ड. लाइक से फॉर एग्जांपल फॉर दिल्ली, से व्हेन दिल्ली वाज दैट एरिया वाज प्लान्ड, राइट, से सो दैट टाइम 6 सैटेलाइट टाउन्स वेयर प्लान्ड फॉर दिल्ली, राइट, जिसमें से आप देखोगे गुड़गांव है, नोएडा है, गाजियाबाद है, सोनीपत वाला रीजन है, देन यू विल फाइंड मेरठ है. ओके, सो दीज आर व्हाट फ्यू सैटेलाइट टाउन्स ऑफ दिल्ली. मुंबई के लिए देखो नवी मुंबई है, पुणे है, ठीक है, कोलकाता, कल्याणपुर है, ठीक है. ऐसे ही आप यू कैन लुक फॉर योर ओन सिटी एज वेल और द मेगा सिटी दैट इज इन योर स्टेट, राइट. सो लुक फॉर कि आप अगर से बेसिकली इफ यू आर फ्रॉम तेलंगाना, सो लुक फॉर कि विच इज दैट सैटेलाइट टाउन फॉर Hyderabad, okay, Hyderabad and Secunderabad, twin city as such, right? So look for that way, right? So that gives your example something different, right? कि बाकी किसी और के आंसर से, okay? So the satellite towns, they helps in decongestion of city. Manufacturing units which are more labor intensive and polluting are shifted to the satellite towns, right? Pune, जैसे you will find Pune. Now Pune is basically the hub for automobiles, एरोनॉटिकल्स, राइट, इवन IT इंडस्ट्रीज का हब है दिस पुणे रीजन, राइट. तो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एक्टिविटीज फ्रॉम मुंबई दे हैव बीन रीलोकेटेड टू पुणे. क्यों? क्योंकि मुंबई की भी ग्रोथ हमको फिजिकल ग्रोथ एट लीस्ट वी आर सपोज टू स्टॉप इट और वी वांट टू स्टॉप इट, राइट. तो इसीलिए फिर अब अल्टरनेटिव सेंटर्स हम डेवलप कर रहे हैं. ओके, नासिक, पुणे, यू विल फाइंड दिस केस. ओके, सो यू विल फाइंड functional integration with the main city and it develops institutional area due to low cost of land. Okay, और भी एक डायग्राम्स अगर आपको देखनी डायग्राम सो देखो ये है सैटेलाइट टाउन, दिस इज ए मेन सिटी एंड यू विल फाइंड इट इज वेल सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम मेन सिटी. ठीक है, डिस्टेंस इज दैट एंड देयर इज ए ट्रांसपोर्टेशन और कनेक्टिंग लाइन with the main city, so that daily commutation activity this could be ensured. I hope you guys are having a clarity over कि satellite town concept क्या है, satellite town concept evolved क्यों हुई है, किस way से evolved हुई है further, and say their examples in India. Let me know in the comment box the respective metro cities and their satellite towns of your state. Yes, thank you.